Tragic news as Swiss snowboarder Sophie Hediger loses her life in an avalanche in Arosa. Sophie Hediger, 26, was a member of the Swiss snowboard cross team. She competed in the 2022 Winter Olympics and earned her first World Cup podiums in 2023-24. Walter Reusser, Swiss Ski CEO. We are speechless. Our deepest condolences to Sophie's family. Her loss casts a shadow over the holiday season. Swiss Ski confirmed no further details will be shared, respecting her family's wishes. A tragic loss for the sports world, reminding us of life's fragility and the importance of solidarity.